Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download CapCut in PC. So it's pretty simple, let's get started. So there are basically two ways to download CapCut on your PC. So the first method is very simple and reliable, you guys can use it. So you guys have to simply open up the search bar and simply search for Microsoft Store. So after searching for Microsoft Store, you guys have to simply open it. So after successfully opening it, you guys have to simply go to search bar and here you have to simply search for CapCut. So after opening up Microsoft Store, here you guys have to simply search for CapCut, and after clicking on it, you guys have to simply wait for it, and here you guys will be able to see the CapCut application is the first application. You guys have to just simply open it and click on install. So I have already installed it, so it is displaying as installed, but you guys have to just simply tap on this button where it is displayed as install. So you guys have to simply tap on it and your CapCut will be downloaded on your PC. And in order to open up the CapCut on your PC, you guys have to simply tap on the application. So after tapping on the application, it will take some time and CapCut will be opened. So you guys can see CapCut has been opened. Now you guys have to just simply click on the create project. So after tapping on create project, you guys will be able to see our CapCut has been successfully installed and downloaded on our PC. And the second method is you guys have to simply go to CapCut official website and simply click on the download button to download the CapCut from official websites. So I hope these methods find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.